Why are you going backwards? I see you going backwards. Now go this way. That's it, Bella. Go, Bella. Go, Bella. All right, Donovan. Keep going. You dance when you're on the floor, not on the chair. Now dance. Right, that's it. Why are you going backwards? Oh, you were dancing like Michael Jackson.
You doing the Michael Jackson?
Go, Bella.
Doing Michael Jackson?
That's what she was doing.
Go ahead, Donovan. Dance now. That's it.
Do it. Shake your whole body.
All right.
That's like that.
Okay. I know. That's what. All right. Good job.
Good job, Bella. Say bye-bye.
No.